Okay, I recorded this video and I didn't realize it wasn't recording my actual voice. However, today I am making a tuna smoothie and I'm getting ready to show you all the steps. First of all, I have my can of tuna. It's been drained and you just dump it in. You have one banana. I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of honey, however much you want. I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of powdered peanut butter, or you can just use regular peanut butter. It's really up to you. And it called for 2 cups of milk, but I decided to use 2 cups of unsweetened coconut milk. Now I'm gonna close the container here, and well, I'm gonna take it over to my blender, and when I get back, it's my taste test results. Okay, I'm back after mixing it. I'm gonna pour it into this glass here. And here are the results. As you see, I didn't make any gross faces. It ended up tasting better than I had thought. The tuna flavor was not that strong. I mean, it's there a little bit, but not enough to enhance the flavor. I mainly tasted the banana, and I really couldn't taste the peanut butter much at all. Again, I didn't realize that the video wasn't recording my actual voice, so I apologize for that. But if you're daring, give it a try.